Hello everyone. In this lecture we will be discussing about preparation of alkyl halides. We have already seen what are alkyl halides or say haloalkanes. We have already seen what are aryl halides or haloarenes. Now can we prepare them, and if yes, how? We will find out the answer to this how in this lecture and see how we can prepare them. So let us come on to the topic, preparation of alkyl halides. First, I will take the very simple preparation, that is halide exchange reactions. Halide exchange reaction is the simplest form of preparation of any alkyl halide that we want. It is actually preparing an alkyl halide from an alkyl halide. Means alkyl halide से हम alkyl halide बनाते हैं. बस इतना डिफरेंस होगा, पहले जो हैलोजन लगा था वो अलग होगा और जो नया हैलोजन होगा वो अलग होगा. तो इसमें मेनली हम आर एक्स फॉर एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं कि हमने आर एक्स एक अल्काइल हैलाइड लिया, आर एक कार्बन चेन है एंड एक्स एक हैलाइड कोई भी हैलोजन है उस पर अटैच्ड. इस हैलाइड को हम किसी दूसरे हैलोजन से एक्सचेंज करेंगे. सो दैट इज़ माई नेम इज़ हैलाइड एक्सचेंज रिएक्शन एंड ये एक्सचेंज करके हमें एक नया अल्काइल हैलाइड मिलेगा. In this we have two very famous name reactions, and those two name reactions are very important. First is reaction Finkelstein reaction, and the reagent for this reaction is sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. So in presence of, we write like slash dry acetone. Now with the help of this reagent we can carry out Finkelstein reaction. We will write Rx, it is alkyl halide that we have. We will add this reagent sodium iodide and dry acetone in presence, and then what will happen, this alkyl halide that we have taken Rx, this X will get exchanged with the iodide ion and we will get alkyl iodide as the product. X and I will get exchanged. X is the halogen previously attached and the new halogen that we attached was iodide. So it will get exchanged. That is why we have halide exchange as the name of this reaction. So from Finkelstein reaction we are actually adding iodide halogen to the alkyl halide. So we will get Ri and NaXC. It's completely exchange. R के साथ पहले X था, अब I आ गया है, and Na के साथ पहले I था, अब X आ गया. X कुछ भी हो सकता है, Cl हो सकता है, Br हो सकता है, आप RCl ले सकते हो, RBr ले सकते हो. I उसको रिप्लेस कर देगा आयोडाइड फ्रॉम NaI. जब भी आप ये वाला रिएजेंट देखो NaI और ड्राई एसीटोन, दैट मीन्स इट इज़ Finkelstein reaction. This is very important. Learn the reagents that is related to a particular type of reaction. If whenever you see NaI and dry acetone, it is clear that alkyl halide is converted into alkyl iodide. Now what is happening, Rx, this X will go with these electrons of the bond and will become, this R will become positive, so I minus will attack the R plus, so it will become Ri, and this X minus will go with the Na plus, Na positive, so NaX will be formed and Ri will be formed. So this was first halide exchange reaction. Now let us see the second halide exchange reaction. So the second halide exchange reaction is known as Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. So Schwarz reaction, the reagent is, there are many, we can choose any one. It is AgF or Hg2F2 or COF2 or SpF3. Silver fluoride, mercuric fluoride, then cobalt fluoride or antimony fluoride. We can choose any one of the reagent. Now in this, with the help of this reagent, we will be adding the fluoride iodide and exchanging with the Rx. X could be Cl or Br. Rx, it reacts with AgF. Now halide will get exchanged, X with F, and we will get RF, and Ag will get X, AgX. So RF will be formed and AgX will be formed. Just halide exchange is taking place, means X and F will get exchanged and RF will be formed. X की जगह F आ गया, इसका मतलब अल्काइल फ्लोराइड बन जाएगा, एंड F की जगह X आ गया, यानी कि सिल्वर के साथ X कुछ भी हो सकता है, Cl या Br, तो सिल्वर क्लोराइड या सिल्वर ब्रोम. Only exchange of reaction in taking place. We have only two named reactions in halide exchange, Finkelstein and Schwarz. For Finkelstein, the reagents are NaI and dry acetone, and for Schwarz we have reagents AgF. You can take any reagent, AgF, Hg2F2, any one of the four, whatever you feel like. Just exchange it. It is simply you have to exchange the halide ions. If you see the reagent, it's confirmed it's Schwarz. If you see the reagent, it's confirmed it's Finkelstein. So there is no room for doubt or suspicion, right? So just remember the reagents and what is happening. Halide is getting exchanged. So thank you.